how to make a conference call with an interpreter via Google Meet. Before the conference call, book your interpreter. Follow the steps in the Introduction to MCIS Interpreter Services Guide and add the following statement in the Appointment Details section. Teacher will be doing a conference call and will need the interpreter's phone number. You should receive a booking confirmation email that includes the interpreter's phone number. If you do not receive the interpreter's phone number, please call MCIS at 1-888-990-9014 or email at is@mcis.on.ca to obtain the interpreter's phone number. When you are ready to make your conference call, first make a new meeting in Google Meet at meet.google.com. Leave the meeting name blank and click Continue. Click Join Now. Click on the People icon at the top of your screen. Click on Add People. Click on the Call tab and enter the phone number of the interpreter. Click the green call button after the number is entered. Wait for the interpreter to join the call and let the interpreter know how many other participants will be added to the call and whether or not you wish for them to announce to each new participant in the language of interpretation to wait on the line until all others have joined. Here's a sample script. Hi, my name is Kimiko Shibata. I'm the ESL teacher with the WRDSB who scheduled our conference call today. I will be calling a settlement worker first and will speak to her in English to introduce myself. Then I will be calling two families who speak Arabic. Once the first Arabic-speaking family picks up their phone, can you please let them know in Arabic that Miss Shibata is calling them from Ali's school and to please wait until we have all families on the line? Now it's time to add your next participant. Click on Add People once again. Then, click on the Call tab and enter your second phone number. Click on the green call button. When they answer the phone, each new participant will hear an automated message in English saying, "You have been added to a call with two other people." Wait for the family to join the call. Allow the interpreter to explain what is happening in the language of interpretation if needed. Prompt the interpreter if needed. Repeat the same steps until all participants have been called and have joined the call. Following these instructions to make an audio-only conference call on Google Meet ensures that no participants will be charged for long-distance calls. When your call is done, please press the red Hang Up button. All participants will now hear the automated message, "You have been removed from the call. Goodbye." Thank you for helping to ensure that all of our students and their families have equitable access to information coming from school.